The desert park is split up into a number of different habitats, and this one is the desert rivers habitat. Desert rivers are those ribbons of green that snake through the landscape, and you see them on those classic photographs of Central Australia with really large river red gums lining dry riverbeds. And this is what we've emulated here at the desert park. This particular habitat is also the one, if you're out in the desert, where you'll find the greatest number of animals, the largest range of wildlife. It has the large red gums with hollows in them that so many of our parrots and small mammals of the past used to live in, but currently the parrots are still there, still living in those places. They can often be quite raucous places, as different species of parrot, cockatoo or parrot seem to almost compete with one another to see who can make the most noise. The major trees that you can see here are actually river red gums, and that's a eucalypt that's found all the way from the southeast corner of the mainland all the way up to the northwest corner of the mainland. So it's the eucalypt with the largest range in Australia, and a classic bookend almost to all of our river systems. These ones here have been here since about 1995 or 1996, and they've got a little bit of growing to do, but they still set the scene for that desert rivers landscape. It's the greenest part of the park, and no matter what the season, whether we're in full-blown desert landscape where it hasn't rained for some time, you'll always find green here, because underneath these apparently dry rivers are actually water bodies, and these trees send their roots down and tap into those places. They are the systems that support the most wildlife, and that's because they are tapping into those water sources, and so they remain green. The insect life is generally abundant, and so the food chains are well served.